In this video, we are going to learn how we can use Format Painter in Excel. Use Format Painter to quickly apply the same formatting such as color, font style and size or border style to multiple pieces of text or graphics. With Format Painter, we can copy all of the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. Think of it as copying and pasting for formatting. Now suppose we want to make this main, max, average, count and percentage to look something different than other cell. So what we have to do is first we have to select A11 cell, this one, and do formatting like we will change font size, style, color and so on. Then we will select A12 cell, this one, and do formatting like we will change font size, style, color and so on. This will take time. What we can do is we will do formatting in one cell and then we will copy same formatting in another cell. So first we will select A11 cell, this one, then go to font section area over here. In that we will make this bold, so we will click to B like this. We will change font size. For that, click to this down arrow, this one, and then select size. We will select to 12 like this. Then we will change background color, so click to this down arrow of fill color, this one. In that select color, we are selecting this green one like this. Then we will change font color, so click to this down arrow of font color, this one. In that select color, we are selecting this white one like this. This formatting we have done. Now we want same formatting in max, average, count and percentage. After this, select the cell which we want to copy formatting, like in this case A11 cell. Then go to clipboard section over here. In that, click to Format Painter once if you want to paste it to only one cell like this. Now paste it where we want, like here we will paste it to A12 cell like this. The moment we click to A12 cell, all formatting command has applied to A12 cell. Now suppose we want to apply this formatting to multiple cells. Then click twice to Format Painter. First select cell A11 like this. Then go to clipboard section over here. In that, click twice to Format Painter like this. Then click to A13 cell like this. Then click to A14 cell and A16 cell. The moment we click to A13 cell, A14 cell and A16 cell, all formatting command has applied to those cells. So like this we can use Format Painter in Excel. Try this in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video. Take care.